everybody, Tama here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm super happy to show you my dolly studio. I've been spending a couple of weeks now organizing everything, and it's been a lot of work, but totally worth it. I'm going to show you around. So we're going to start first with the less glamorous part of the tour. This is a closet. I had a massive Christmas tree in here for I know at least 2 years, if not 3 years, because we've had some sad situations going on in our lives and haven't put up a Christmas tree for a couple of years. So anyway, I pulled that gosh darn tree out this year because I wanted to reclaim my closet and put my fabric in here. So I have the top shelf here of this little bookcase is for my packing stuff for when I sell things on my Etsy shop or eBay. I have links down below if you're looking for any dolls or doll related stuff. This is just a cute little music box. Of course, my scale, my tape, and all the packaging stuff I need. I have more packaging stuff, but this is the general area. This is messy up here. This is just miscellaneous crap that I probably still need to kind of go through, but anyway, it's up and out of the way right now. I have some 18-inch doll clothes here. I've got some doll patterns, sewing stuff back there. I've got thread, ribbons, rulers, more sewing stuff. Most of the stuff in this closet is for sewing. Bunch of fabric. Yes, that's all fabric. Boxes. This is actually a bed that is flipped on its side. And oh, this is a cute little thing. My grandma made this. Let me turn this light off. My grandma made this years ago, and I really don't have a spot for it. I need to figure out a place to actually hang it, but right now I just stuck it up there so I could take a look at it. Here's a basket with packaging stuff in it, bubble wrap, that kind of thing. And then here I finally got my doll clothes fairly organized. This has Elowen and Wild and Nema clothes in it. This is something my hubby bought me probably a year ago. I haven't played with it yet, but someday I want to play with this little loom. This has my Smart Doll clothes in it. That box there has some accessories for American Girl dolls. That's a fun little, like, what do you call it? Card. Pop-up card I just thought was cute. This has hair clips. This has ribbons for doll hair. This has Blythe stockings, Blythe underwear. These boxes all were given to me by somebody, so I've used them to organize different things. Stuff for my American Girl dolls, for Girls for All Time. Like I said, Smart Dolls, Elowen, Midi Blythes, Mini Blythes, or Midi Blythes, Petite Blythes, Christmas stuff for Blythes, Halloween stuff, etc., etc. Here's a fabulous painting by the master artist myself of 2 Blythe dolls on the beach. And I finally have a little spot here for my Smart Dolls. These girls, you know, it's hard to find a spot because they're such big gals. This is a cabinet that has sewing and crafting supplies in it. This thing I use to make, what do you call it, videos sometimes, so it's just out there. And then I have this table. I use this for videos a lot. And then that cabinet has customizing supplies, which I still need to go through. And then this is all dolly customizing type stuff. Dolls that need to be put together. Dolls that I have customized I need to finish. So yeah. And then I have my sewing table, which is not the best. I mean, this part here looks crappy, so don't look at that. But as far as I now have space to work, so that's really important. I use tissue a lot when I'm sewing, so this is just like a little bag of tissue and paper that I keep and pull out as needed to sew. I've got this, has got, you know, sewing stuff in it. Oh, and doll hands. I need to wash my window. That's the next thing on my list. I've got my sewing machine. I've got my laptop where I watch a lot of videos as I'm crafting. I try to keep up with everybody. I'm working on something for this little Midi here. She needs some clothes. Some more crafting stuff down there. Lots of glue. Those are some clothes I need to mend. Then over here on the floor, This is a blanket. It's actually a big piece of fabric that somebody gave me, and I'm going to finish off the edges and turn it into a blanket. I've got little leftover pieces of yarn. I have doll bodies, this cute doll, some dolly books. These here, this basket and box have fake dolls, fake Blythe dolls that someday I am going to customize. I have a little Lika doll here just hanging out. We've got the Girl for All Time dollies here, along with a couple of Blythe dolls, a pull-up. This doll here that I have on eBay, by the way, if anybody's interested. Of course, my battery decided to go kaputski, so I have plugged into something. Hopefully it'll be alright here. Alright, so yeah, these are Girl for All Time dolls, along with a couple of other dolls. This is a cute little stuffed doll that has sewing stuff on it that I got. I'm trying to remember where I picked this up. Someplace in the Caribbean. I think St. Martin's. Yes, St. Martin's, because that's where I got this girl too. She's super cute. She's got this, I need to put some, my sister made this. This is like a lanyard. I actually could use this for school now, so maybe I'll bring that to school. And this is one of those dolls that you can flip. It has two dollies. I love these. These are so fun. She's actually got some little sparkles. Really well made. Okay, here's this shelf. I have some custom dolls I did when I was doing a lot of collaborations with Marna. I've pulled back on collaborations in general just because I just can't do it all. But these are some of the really cute ones that I did with her. Of course, I have this doll, which I can't... Oh, what's her name? I can't remember. Tell me her name, you guys. We have... This is a Creatable World doll head on a Leica boy body. This is Flower. This is a music box typewriter. We got a couple of Jenny dolls. I'm selling both these dolls on eBay right now. And again, we got some more Blythe dolls that I played around with a little bit. Here's another Blythe doll. She's from the 90s. That's her theme there. We got Merida back here. We've got a little scarecrow. We've got a midi doll, some buttons. This cute little outfit for this petite doll is from Marna over at Dolls Rescued. Here is a fairy doll I did, and a mermaid doll. And this is a Renaissance doll back there, and a flapper, and Lucy doll. Then we got more Blythe dolls over here. This is really where my Wednesday Addams dolly hangs out with her BFF. And there's all kinds of little stuffed animals and things like that up here. And this gal's just recently moved in. She's just hanging out for a while. Okay. And then we have the Boho Beach Hut for the Blythe dolls. They're watching TV. I did a video of that recently. And they got the little tiki bar. They're making margaritas. Okay. Down here we have Elowyn and Nima and Prudence. Oh, and this is a faux minifee named Pita. And let's see, what do we else? Okay, we just got supplies down here. These are some various supplies that I've just put away. These are dolls that I'm selling on eBay. I have a couple. I've got a Rainbow High doll. I'm getting ready to put this right now as I list this. I don't have this listed yet, but this is the remake of the Malibu dolls, Barbie dolls. And then let's see, I'll move down here and go move back up. More stuff that I'm selling, like little dresses and things, and I got some stuffed toys that I made. Some yarn. We've got a box here. I don't have anything in here yet, but I am going to fill this up with some of my customizing stuff. Supplies. Let's see what else. We've got a bunch of shells and other supplies, rain ribbon, etc. Crafting supplies. And moving up here on this shelf, we've got some Rainbow High. We've got, what do you call it, American Girl dolls. We've got ILY, Creatable World. This chickaroo here, who I can't remember who she is. I did a video of her not that long ago. Got another ILY back there. And then up here I've got my Blythe doll Christmas display that really needs to be switched out at this point. I'm actually filming this near the end of December. So, but by the time I publish this, I don't know, it'll probably be early January. So, yeah, so by then, hopefully, this will be a different shelf. But you can see I've got, most of these are stock dolls that are considered tan. And then I have the custom doll here. And, of course, a little fakie here. And a little petite fakie that is customized by Dolls Rescued. All right, and then up here we've got some ILY, Creatable World, Skipper, and this is kind of Barbie land here. I've got some of the Barbies from the Barbie movie there. I've got Stevie Nicks, who's amazing. I have to do a follow-up video on her if I haven't already by the time this publishes. And, oops, then we've got, oh, this is an ILY guy. I think I'm going to sell him, so if anybody's interested, let me know. Then I have some kind of vintage dolls back here. Vintage Malibu, Malibu PJ, Malibu PJ there. So yeah, this is I try to keep most of my Barbies pretty much on this shelf right here. Okay, moving up. Up here we have some stuffed toys. That's a crochet bunny I made. That's a super cute felted bunny hat that Beth Ramsden made for me that I adore, so it kind of stays out a lot. That's an antique doll. She was my mom's, so she gave her to me, and I've got her kind of set up here. She's in really sad shape. She needs some massive doll doctoring, but I have her in that box to kind of help her stand up a little bit. We have some doll clothes over here. Before I move down the shelf, I guess I'll show you real quick this little corner. This is me when I was very, very young. I was in junior college, so probably I'm like 18 there. And my mom took that picture. She was taking a photography class at the same junior college in Brevard Community College in Florida. And then I have, this is something somebody made that I really liked, and I'm a Scorpio, so I liked it and I bought it. She's an artist in Cocoa Village, Lori Prell. And this is where I have my iPad, my tripod. I use a lot for filming. And of course the good old ironing board. And yeah, I really like, I like purses, tote bags. This is just a smattering, okay? And then this is most of my 1/6 scale doll clothes for Blythe, Rainbow High, ILY, Barbie here. I try to, like, these are all Blythe tops. These are costumes. Let's see what else. Oh, the labels need to be flipped around. More girl stuff. Same thing here. More 1/6 scale doll clothes. All right, let's move back over here. Top shelf. Like I said, that's the bunny I made. That was really cute and fun. That is my little Barbie suitcase when I was a little kid. That's from back then. We have another Blythe dolly up here. She has an ugly Christmas sweater on. She's going to need to get switched out too. Hopefully I won't forget her. She's up here on her lounger. I have some clothes here. These are Ellen Wild clothes. Yeah. This super fun van. This is a Raggedy Ann that my grandma made me. She's very special. You can see she has been well loved. This is a book that my hubby bought me. It's an art book. It's humongous, and I have really no place to display it, but it is super pretty and one of my favorite authors. And then we've got Groot here that I got from Cincy, Gilly, the monster. If you check out his YouTube channel. Here is one of those flippy dolls. I would show her your skirt, but underneath her skirt is another dolly. I can't because I'm holding a battery in my other hand. But this was my little sister's, and she gave her to me recently. Here is a raccoon. I made this raccoon. So I thought he should be up here with Groot. I used to do a ton of amigurumi. I was super, super into it. And then I have this gal who is also on eBay. But she hasn't gotten a lot of attention. I think I have her priced well, but I don't know. Maybe not. Not well enough, I guess. And, of course, here's another little fun. I thought this was super cute. This is also from Lori Prell's studio in Cocoa Village. And that's my side yard and my dirty window that I need to clean. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed and didn't find this too boring. But I'm so psyched to start crafting and sewing again. Really happy that I spent the time on getting this organized. When my space is too messy, I have a really hard time focusing and it stresses me out. So I'm definitely not a neat freak, as you can tell. I mean, this is not like perfect or anything, but I need space. And oh yeah, in fact, I forgot to show you this. This is a little table, little desk, I guess, that I use for making jewelry. And I'm hoping, now that I have a little bit more space, I've really been wanting to make jewelry for my dolls. I used to be super duper into it. I have some jewelry making books out. I used to be the jewelry making guide for about.com, if you ever were familiar with that. In fact, here's a beaded ballet shoe I made. It's an old toe shoe of mine from when I used to, dance. And then I did right angle weave seed beading all around it. It was part of a competition I was participating in. There's a horrible picture of me, my mom, the backs of our butts walking, but has really good memories. My sister took that and made that little, frame and everything, so it's super cute. We used to go on cruises every summer. But anyway, yeah, I forgot. And I've got some storage down here, the patterns, doll shoes, some stuff I need to open still as far as dollies go. But yeah, as you can see, things are not super neat as a pen, but it's clear enough for me now where I can actually start doing some crafting again, which I haven't done for a while. Really missed it. But it just got so chaotic in here. I just couldn't bring myself to do anything. I was just overwhelmed by the chaos. So anyway, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support for my channel, and I'm looking forward to a wonderful 2024 with everybody here. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.